Inflammation is a common, sometimes painful and debilitating disease that many people experience. Especially when it becomes chronic, it may require long-term treatment. Since there are as many harms as benefits of long-term medication, some people have started to research herbal treatment methods instead of using medication for these inflammations. Do you know what causes inflammation, which is seen in about 2 out of 4 people in the society? We have researched for you what is curious about inflammation, which invites severe body pain and subsequent diseases. So, why does inflammation occur? What are the symptoms that indicate inflammation in the body? Is there a treatment for inflammation? Which foods reduce inflammation in the body? You can find answers to all these questions in this video. With the decrease in red blood cells in the body becomes vulnerable to inflammation. Inflammation is a health problem that can occur for many reasons. Common causes include diseases such as infection, pneumonia, lupus, rheumatism. What are the symptoms of inflammation in the body? Symptoms such as swelling behind the ears, elbows, knees, hip bones, neck, wrists and ankles, pain and stiffness in joints and muscles during movements, chronic weakness, fatigue and insomnia, increased mental problems, stress and depression, imbalance in digestive movements, diarrhea or constipation, sudden increase in body temperature, frequent occurrence of cold sores and mouth sores, imbalance in heartbeat due to heat, headache that does not go away indicate that the rate of inflammation is high. So how can inflammation in the body and infection in the blood be reduced as quickly as possible? The herb borderwort is the most proven and effective herb for this. If you consume it regularly for 3 weeks, it will control all the inflammation in the body and infection in the blood and remove it from the body. Borderwort is a plant with broad green leaves that grows naturally in wetlands. It has lettuce-shaped leaves that open to the sides and green seeds that exceed the length of the leaves. What are the benefits of fork vein grass? It is effective in preventing and treating upper respiratory tract diseases. It plays a role in the healing of diseases as it increases body resistance. It has expectorant properties, is effective in stopping chronic cough, softens the chest and is effective against shortness of breath problems. It provides rapid healing of wounds and is effective in eliminating skin problems, especially boils. Thanks to its diuretic properties, it eliminates problems such as edema and bloating in the body. With its antioxidant properties, it helps prevent vascular occlusion, balances blood pressure and prevents high blood pressure problems. It protects the body against cardiovascular diseases, calms the nerves and is effective in preventing depression. It helps to eliminate fatty deposits in the lungs and liver. When consumed regularly, it provides the elimination of toxins in the body and is effective in thinking parasites. In regular consumption, Fortidamar grass dries all inflammation in the body and reduces infections in the blood. You can find fork vein grass in local markets, herbal markets or open spaces. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and support the videos. I wish you to be healthier.